Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This past week I think was a preparation for something very big that is going to unfold in the next few weeks. I have chosen two brief clips here taken from a long video. I've just finished to record 64 minutes video that focuses on many markets, notably Forex. I have 13 Forex pairs analyzed, long-term, short-term, discussing a lot of setups that are ready for the taking very soon. And the two clips that I chosen for you, one is on a Forex pair and the other is on a precious metal. If you are interested in Forex, you would like to see this video. If you like further information about my service, my website, please stay on after the clips end. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have a great week and good trading. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This past week we have seen the dollar attempting to pull out of a major pattern, and I think the coming week will give us the final confirmation for that move that is likely to affect everything related directly and indirectly to the dollar. And the faster and the more accelerated move in the dollar with impact proportionately everything that is normally affected by a stronger dollar. I've prepared a lot of charts here, many of them Forex pairs, and here's the long list. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the euro Canadian dollar, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Swiss franc, New Zealand dollar US dollar, British pound US dollar, the euro Chinese yuan, the Australian dollar, the Australian dollar euro, the Australian dollar British pound, the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, the US dollar Indian rupee, the Australian dollar US dollar, and then we look at some commodities. I've got high-grade copper, gold, silver, platinum, palladium, then heating oil, the euro bond, the Dow, the S&P 500, the IBEX 35 of Spain. I'll have a look at soybean, March 2012, and soybeans, the continuous chart to give us the big picture. Okay, we have another interesting Forex pair. I don't know how many of you would trade it, but I'm sure that some of you might be quite interested in this. This is the Australian dollar British pound going back into 1994. I presented it some while ago, and these are the kind of Forex pairs that are not heavily traded, but they nevertheless can come up with fairly interesting setups that once they are unleashed, like the one I've just shown you, the Australian dollar euro, once they are unleashed, once the pattern is over, a pattern that has been going on for months and months, once it's over, you can get a very good opportunity, very high probability run. Now, it is very interesting what's going on here. The pattern of the Australian dollar British pound is building on the same logic that I've used in all the Australian dollar pairs, Forex pairs. We had Australian dollar, US dollar. If you remember, we had now the Australian dollar euro. And this one is picking up the same logic. You can see we had a first surge that here is acceptable as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming out of a major bottom. Although this chart doesn't go down very far, but there is a major bottom here, no question. And the Australian dollar is now in a multi-decade, I would maybe say first multi-year, but could be likely multi-decade run against the pound, with this being 1, 2. We're seeing here a third wave. We had a sustained run. You can see it didn't give back almost any gains that it got from the bottom of 2008 here. Very powerful pattern, and it has been tracing a triangle, and my bet is the triangle is coming close to an end, and that is going to unleash another very powerful run in the Australian dollar against the pound. Look at this. This is the weekly now, going back to 2006. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Perfect. 3. Triangle. Took 1 year. And now it's beginning to run up. Do you see that? Beginning to run up. I think we just need another week or two of basically a run above this level, and we are assured of a fourth wave behind us. Just think, we had a 1 year consolidation, and this is going to deliver a fifth leg that is going to be on a scale of something like that. This took many years. If I'm getting this wave count right here, this took many years. At the very least, the run up is not going to be in a fill of 1 year. It's going to be much longer than a year. It's going to run and run. This is something you may want to study further. Take a look. This is now the daily, and you can see the giant triangle the Australian dollar has traced against the British pound, and that is my point. You see, we need to see a run above this level would confirm the fourth wave most likely ended here with this being 1-2. We are up in a third wave. You know what? Let's go to 120-minute chart. Let's see what it gives us. Yes, I see a nice pattern here. If the fourth wave ended here, that's the 120-minute chart. That will give us a 1-2, a reasonable 1-2 here. That will give us a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, fourth wave up in the fifth, which is part of the third. Yes, 1, 2, 3. I didn't put the labelings because I had so many charts to prepare. But here you are. I actually didn't think I'm going to look at the details on this one, but here you are. This is an option. So that will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, fifth. Okay, and as you know, the major signal, the clinching signal that would put everything behind us and really put us on the royal road here of the bulls is around about this level. So as I said, this is a forex pair you might want to study further. Okay, now we're looking at platinum. That's the daily scale. Platinum gave us a fairly clear top here, daily going back into 2011, and traced a fairly neat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here that I take 108. I think it's likely an A. That's an ABC. That's a B, I think, or 2. And we're coming down. We're coming down, and it is behaving right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 deliver the third, and you can see that platinum is seeking to go lower. I think that everything that happened so far is looking absolutely right in terms of a fourth wave context here, and you can see how it is battling overhead resistance here, unable to really make any headway for a long time now, for 3 weeks. So my bet, this is likely to continue in terms of its inability to run higher. It'll probably stay here for a few more days. When it's ready, it's going to crack under 1,350 and deliver the fifth leg in black. Welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. it is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video plus the chart plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you'd like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. Contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download the full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.